Hi everyone, welcome to Making with Meagan. We hope you're enjoying our weekly series.
We need 2 4-inch blue squares, 4 2-inch by 5.5-inch parallelograms. Make sure you watch the video on how to do parallelograms. Then we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 white 3-inch squares. We're going to cut all of our squares in half. Our next step is taking our parallelograms and adding the white squares that we've cut in half to the parallelogram. Now my dog ears are cut off, so when I do this, I'm going to match up my one corner. And yes, this is hanging over. If you don't have your dog ears cut off and you're coming up like this, you are going to match point to point. Point to point, like so. And we're going to make 4 of these. Four completed parallelogram rectangles. What we want to do now is with our triangles, we're going to add these white so that we get 4 identical blocks that look like this. So you take this, sew, press open, take this, sew, and press open. Now we want to match all of these up like so, okay? What I want to point out is that this is off. See how we've got our 1/4 inch here? So when we match these up, we don't really have anything to match up against. So you want to make sure that your end pieces are matching. See how my dog ear is off to the side? So when I'm sewing this, I really want to make sure I'm hitting that 1/4 inch mark right there, because watch what happens when I flip this open. Our points for that parallelogram will match right there. So in this situation, really make sure you're pinning it or using your wonder clips. So on here, there's a 1/4 inch marking. So you can mark it just like this to make sure when you sew this and you sew down this 1/4 inch, when this flips open, you can see that that's going to match. This is a tricky one. Take your time. Here it is sewn. So you see this point matches this point. When you're pressing, I want you to press towards the parallelogram on this one. Set your seam, and I flipped it over, okay? So I set my seam, and then I pressed it open this way. So your points, or you're pressing to the parallelogram. So now our layout is like this. A triangle is on the outside point, and our parallelograms are always on the inside. So we're going to take this one, and again, being very careful, right? Because we want to match up our 1/4 inches here, and we don't have a nested seam on this one. So take your time so that you can get those 2 points to match. Now that we've got these pieces, now we're going to take this and nest our center seams, okay? And then sew across. Now, our block is complete.
We hope you're enjoying Making with Meagan. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe if you're enjoying Making with Meagan.